2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS. With less than 74,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.